Brave the drop, release the curse. I am absolutely loving that new slogan. Welcome to a Theme Park Worldwide news update, where in this video I'm going to be sharing all of the latest information regarding the new for 2021 drop tower opening at Chessington World of Adventures Resorts. The park have now confirmed that CROC DROP will be the official name of this exciting new ride, and like I say, I'm loving the sound of the slogan. The theme for this is brilliant and everything's really coming together for this new project. Now in this video I'm going to give you all of the latest information that the park have now released. You've already seen the teaser video there, which is absolutely fantastic. I'm loving the visuals for this, and also as well the music in that is absolutely fantastic. That's a little snippet of what we're going to be able to enjoy on the ride itself and the area surrounding it. Of course, CROC DROP will be located in the Forbidden Kingdom themed area of Chessington. It's actually being built on the former site of Ramesses Revenge, the old Hus Top Spin that closed a couple of years ago, and we've got this new ride going into place. So it's certainly great to see that Chessington have replaced that ride. They've not just left the space empty, they've put something new in there, and this looks absolutely fantastic. The overall experience of this is what it's going to be about. Now, let's start off by talking about that awesome music that you heard there in the teaser. I cannot wait to hear the rest of the soundtracks for the area. The music's actually being done by Nick Hudson, who of course did the audio for Toon Blaster when that had its refurb for last year. He's also a good friend of the channel, and also as well, he's done quite a lot of theme park audio now. So you know what, Nick's getting a pretty good reputation out there for his audio. He's doing a great job, so it's nice to see that it's involved in the project here with CROC DROP. So I'm looking forward to hearing that. Now let me talk about the ride itself and the actual ride system. So what we're looking at here is a 25-meter tall drop tower. Now this isn't going to be a tower that just goes up once and then drops down. There's actually going to be more to it than that. The ride system itself is manufactured by SBF Visa. They've done quite a lot of drop towers. In fact, of course, Magma, which is at Poulton's Park, now they've actually got one of these. It's a 16-seater ride. So that's what we're looking at here, that sort of drop tower. It's not absolutely huge. However, it's the overall experience what this ride is going to be about. You've got to think with Chessington, their target market and their audience has changed over the past few years. It's not so much about thrilling rides, and Ramesses Revenge didn't really fit in with that anymore. As much as I loved it, I really feel like this will go down better with the families that are attracted to Chessington, and it'll be a great ride to both experience and visually from off-ride. We know that this is going to have some pretty stunning special effects that I can't wait for, and with Ramesses, it was one of them rides that people could get as much enjoyment standing off watching the riders get soaked as they could actually riding it. You know, in fact, it'd even be more enjoyable sometimes watching people on it than riding it, and I feel like that's going to be the same with this. Now, like I say, it is a 16-seater drop tower. I do worry a little bit about the capacity. I think it's going to be quite low on the hourly throughputs. Bear in mind, Chessington does attract large crowds, especially on a weekend or in the holidays. I do think at 16 riders a time, the queues are going to get pretty long for this. However, at least you're going to be looking at this heavily themed building and the crocodile itself, which does look fantastic. Now, let me go into the storyline behind this ride. As we know, it's located within the Forbidden Kingdom themed area of the park. That's where Toon Blaster is, and of course all the buildings fit around there to reflect it. I'm hoping we've seen some upgrades to some of the theming on the buildings, just general tidying up and painting, especially with us having this big new drop tower building in the middle, which looks stunning. I'm hoping the buildings are all going to match around the side of it. Now, with the theme, it's all based around Sobek, which is of course the ancient Egyptian crocodile god. And with this, with Sobek, you've got the crocodile god, which is the protector of the Nile, who's been possessed by evil spirits. And as a rider, you're going to take part in a ceremony to banish the evil spirits from Sobek, and plunging down into the crocodile's soul and freezing the waters back into the Nile. So that's the story that we can experience. Now, like I say, with the ride itself, it's 25 meters tall. It'll go up and down, up and down. It can do all sorts of different things, this drop ride. It can also spin the gondola itself as well. So that all kind of fits up with this ride's overall experience, and that's what's going to make it visually very impressive from off-road off-ride. Now, we know that the theming on this was progressing really well, especially during the latter part of 2020. That's really progressed in recent weeks, it seems, as we can see from this little bit of footage here that was actually put onto ITV News recently. And as you can see, this is looking great now with the theming. You're going to fall into this 12-meter tall jaws of a crocodile, which is going to be fantastic, and just fitting with that slogan. I love it. Brave the drop, release the curse. It's been a while since we've had a really catchy slogan for a new ride in the UK, so I am loving that. Can't wait to be vlogging down there and saying that one. It's just going to have to have some moves to it and everything, like brave the drop, release the curse, or something like that, you know, a bit cheesy. It is theme park worldwide after all. But yes, I'm very much looking forward to the experience of it. Like I say, it is more designed for a family ride. Don't go on expecting a big intense drop tower. However, with these SBF Visa towers, you know, they are quite punchy in places. You know, you do get that drop tower feeling inside, you know, which a lot of people don't like. So to be honest, even though it's only 25 meters tall, I do feel like, you know, you're going to have some good moments on this, and visually it's going to look stunning. I think we're going to be seeing water effects on there, lighting. The audio is going to all kind of reflect that and build up and create this show from off-ride that I'm really looking forward to. And like I say, with Nick and his music, what he does, it's fantastic. So I really feel like it's going to fit this attraction beautifully, and especially from the little teaser that we heard at the start of this video, of course, that was released officially by Chessington. Now let me just talk about the height requirements for CROC DROP. Those between 1.2 and 1.3 meters tall must be accompanied by an adult over the age of 16. Sound like a Q-line audio there, don't I? Now guests who are a minimum height of 1.3 meters can drop alone. So yeah, you've got to be 1.2 at least to ride on CROC DROP. Now, in terms of when this is going to be opening, they're still saying spring 2021. Of course, it all depends really now on when theme parks are allowed to start their 2021 season because of the ongoing COVID pandemic. So let's keep them fingers crossed and hope the park can open in the coming months and release this brand new ride that I'm really looking forward to. I'd say the only thing that I'm not looking forward to with this is the throughput. Everything else I think looks fantastic. The theming looks great. The audio sounds awesome. I'm loving the slogan. The logo even for this is brilliant. CROC DROP kind of reminds me of Oblivion in some bizarre way with the arrow there, like a green version of Oblivion. But yeah, I'm really liking the branding and everything for this. I think Chessington are doing a great job with the marketing of this as well. Chessington's great when it comes to marketing their attractions and the park. They know who they are, they know what the target audience is, and they're going in there with a stunning overall experience that we can't wait for here at Theme Park Worldwide. So let me know your thoughts. Will you be going to Chessington this year to experience CROC DROP and of course go and enjoy this journey with Sobek? I can't wait, honestly. The theme, the music, I think it's all going to come together and be an absolutely awesome attraction. But let me know your thoughts. Like I say, I am concerned about the throughput. However, I think it's going to be visually brilliant to watch from off-ride, and of course we'll be down there as soon as we can to go and cover this and bring you lots of footage to enjoy of the ride here on the channel. Thanks for joining me for another news update here on Theme Park Worldwide. As always, there's brand new videos every single day here at the moment, so make sure you stay tuned for those, and I'll be back soon with another video and news update for you all to enjoy. Thank you very much for watching, and that leaves me with one final thing to say. Get out there and keep on riding. See you soon.